just made this sanding bed. These are Clark's sanding belts off their belt sander that they have. It's very aggressive. I've just cut it to fit in there, and then I've put this piece of wood in there as a tensioner, and it goes straight in to the lights. Fits perfect. I've got to get some more belts, and that's really effective. I'm surprised how fast it rips rust off. Set it where you want. These platforms are coming in handy. I have this one that I use loose all the time. Takes the wider belts from Toolstation. This is my go-to one. I don't know what grit that is. It's got a tensioner on it. That's a 60 grit Toolstation. Get these cheap, or used to. All the prices have gone up as usual.